हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल स्टडी टेरिडोफाइट्स। ओके, जब हम लोग प्लांट क्लासिफिकेशन स्टडी कर रहे थे, व्हेन वी वर स्टडिंग प्लांट क्लासिफिकेशन, वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट टेरिडोफाइट्स दैट in this the reproduction is done through spore formation. Okay, and it comes under cryptogams, means non seed producing. इतना इंट्रोडक्शन हम लोग टेरिडोफाइट में पढ़े थे. So what you mean by pteridophytes? They are non-flowering seedless, and it is differentiated into true stem, leaves and roots. Okay, I will show pteridophytes. So this is the structure of pteridophytes. You can see here roots, rhizome, it is fern. Okay, and what are example of pteridophytes? Lycopodium, Selaginella, equisetum. So non-flowering, seedless, differentiated into true stem, leaves and roots. Examples of this is lycopodium. It's Lycopodium, Selaginella, equisetum, very important, etc. Okay. In this, reproduction is through spore formation. Reproduction with spore formation. I will explain life cycle, then you will come to know. Okay, and it is habitat is moist and sandy area, and they required water for fertilization. Required water for fertilization. Vascular tissues are present. Vascular tissues here means xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem present, but very important point, in xylem true vessels are absent. True vessels are absent in case of pteridophytes. Okay, true vessels are absent. And in case of phloem, what? Companion cell and sieve tubes are absent. Companion cells and sieve tubes are absent. Acha, you have studied the four components of xylem: vessels, tracheates, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Okay, in case of phloem, companion cells, sieve tubes, fibers. But in this case, sieve cells are present. This is reason why they are known as the first true terrestrial land plants. Known as first true terrestrial land plants. They can tolerate a very harsh environment, presence of vascular tissues, okay? And they are also known as reptiles of plant kingdom. Also known as reptiles of plant kingdom. Next come to their plant body. Their plant body is sporophyte. ठीक है, they are diploid. In case of Bryophyta, it was gametophyte. Plant body was gametophyte, and in this case it is sporophyte dominating. So plant body is sporophyte, which is diploid dominating. And diploid. And this gametophyte stage also. Alternation of generation में gametophyte. Ensconce species means here it is very small green color like structure. It is N, that is haploid, and the structure is known as prothallus. Very important. Prothallus. What is prothallus? Contains sex organs. Prothallus is containing sex organs. Okay, and they are small sessile antheridium. Okay, and partially embedded archegonia. So this is all about this structure. Now next is spores. We should do at the back. So spores, they are born on sporophylls. Leaves that bear sporangia are called. So spores are of two types, sporophyll and strobilus. What do you mean by sporophylls? Leaves bearing sporangia are called sporophyll. ठीक है, उस स्पोरेंजिया के अंदर क्या पाए जाते हैं? स्पोर्स। लार्ज फॉर्मिंग लीफ gaps in stem. सेम थिंग माइक्रो में लार्ज की जगह क्या लिख दोगे? स्मॉल. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोरोफिल? सिलेजिनिला. सिलेजिनिला इज एग्जाम्पल. An example of megasporophyll is fern. It is example. Okay, ये example है. ठीक है, तो स्पोरोफिल्स स्पोर्स कहाँ फॉर्म स्पोर्स कहाँ बॉर्न होते हैं? स्पोरोफिल्स और स्ट्रॉबिलस में. ठीक है, स्पोरोफिल्स ऑफ टू टाइप, माइक्रो एंड मेगा. एंड स्ट्रॉबिलस क्या होता है? व्हेन द लीव्स आर कॉम्पैक्टली डेंसली अरेंज. ओके, नाउ कम टू economic importance. So economic importance you can do by yourself. For if we talk about Azolla species, it helps in nitrogen fixation. Helps in nitrogen fixation. ठीक है, function as biofertilizer. Function as biofertilizer. There are lots of function. Second is we talk about Equisetum. Equisetum is species of Pteridophytum. So Equisetum is known as scoring rushes. Okay, helps in polishing of metals. Polishing of metals, and therefore known as scoring rushes. Prothallus I have told you. Now gametophyte consists, so male and female reproductive organs. Then it will go under fertilization. And it will form a zygote. And what is the nature of zygote? It is 2n, and it will develop into a plant body. ठीक है, plant body sporophyte to meiosis हुआ, spores form. Spores will germinate into a prothallus. Okay, and it contains male and female reproductive structure, which is inconspicuous, very small. And then they both will fertilize, and zygote will form, and zygote will germinate into a plant. Next is classification. So it is divided into 4 classes. First is Psilopsida. Next is Lycopsida. Sphenopsida. Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, and Philicopsida. And the example of this is, it is most primitive form. Okay, most primitive. Lycopsida में example is Lycopodium. Sphenopsida में Equisetum. And Philicopsida ferns. So this is all about the, और इसका फॉसिल्स फॉर्म भी है होता है. ठीक है, So it is all about the pteridophytes. Okay, in short I will tell you, ये क्या होते हैं, नॉन फ्लावरिंग होते हैं, क्रिप्टोगैम्स में आते हैं, ठीक है. सीडलेस प्लांट्स होते हैं, सीड्स आर नॉट प्रोड्यूस, नॉन फ्लावरिंग सीड एंड इट डिफरेंशिएट इनटू ट्रू स्टेम, लीव्स एंड रूट्स. रिप्रोडक्शन स्पोर फॉर्मेशन से होता है, स्पोर फॉर्म होता है, ठीक है. एंड दे रिक्वायर वाटर फॉर फर्टिलाइजेशन, वेस्कुलर टिश्यूज प्रेजेंस होते हैं. एंड फर्स्ट रूट टेरेस्ट्रियल लैंड प्लांट्स, and main plant body is sporophyte, which is dominating nature, and it is independent. Here the gametophyte in this case is independent. And write down here independent. Okay, and it consists of a prothallus. गैमेटोफाइट में प्रोथैलेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, ठीक है. एंड इट इज़ इनकॉन्स्पेशियस, वेरी स्मॉल, इन विच कंटेन्स सेक्स ऑर्गन्स. एंड स्पोर्स आर फॉर्म इन द लीव्स. तो जो उसको क्या, कौन लीव्स कहते हैं, जो लीव्स स्पोरेंजिया बियर करते हैं उसको स्पोरोफिल कहते हैं. एंड स्ट्रॉबिलस, इन स्ट्रॉबिलस में क्या रहता है, लीव्स कॉम्पैक्टली और वेरी डेंस अरेंज होते हैं. और स्पोरोफिल टू टाइप्स के होते हैं, माइक्रोस्पोरोफिल्स एंड मेगास्पोरोफिल. मेगाफिल्स लार्ज फॉर्मिंग leaf gaps and micro small forming leaf gaps. Okay, and sporophytes, it is plant body is sporophyte. meiosis होगा, spores form होगा, it will germinate and form prothallus, and male and female with will fuse, fertilization takes place, zygote will form, and it will again develop into a sporophytic plant body.